What is this in English? It is. I don't know what it is. Hi guys, how's it going? Banyak request di Instagram dan YouTube saya untuk ini. Jadi hari ini saya mau coba bikin donuts. Bahan-bahan untuk Ben's donuts: telur, dried yeast, Perisa strawberry, Perisa vanilla, food coloring, warna merah, Mesis, mentega, coklat putih, Gula halus, tepung terigu, Susu, cream, sedikit garam juga, satu pinch aja. Jangan lupa minyak goreng. Pertama, saya mau taruh ini menteganya di microwave selama 1 menit aja supaya ini meleleh. Ini sudah meleleh, jadi tambahkan dried yeast. Oke, aduk dan masukin di mangkuk sama susu. Gunakan 1 pinch garam dan tambahkan 1 sendok teh Perisa vanila. Oke, aduk. Sekarang saya mau tambahkan kuning telur. Kemudian saya mau pakai ini saringan dan tambahkan gula halus. Sama dengan tepung terigu, pakai saringan. Kalau sudah lengket, ini hampir selesai. Tepung terigu lagi. Tambahkan tepung terigu di chopping board. Perfect. Ini sudah selesai, jadi saya mau tunggu selama 1 jam aja. Tutup dengan plastik. Sekarang saya mau bikin toppingnya. Ini gampang banget. Gula halus 60 gram dan 1 sendok makan susu. Sekarang mau gunakan Perisa strawberry setengah sendok teh. Terus food coloring 1 drop aja, warna merah. Topping strawberry sudah selesai. Ada topping coklat, 3 bahan aja, coklat putih, cream, dan 1 pinch aja garam. Pertama, tambahkan cream di penggorengan. Waktu ini sudah panas, tambahkan coklat putih. Kecilkan api dan sosnya dimasak selama 1 menit aja. Masukin 1 pinch aja garam, sedikit-sedikit, jangan banyak. Aduk lagi. Ini sudah jadi sos coklat. Kelihatannya enak. Yeah. Setelah 1 jam ini mengembang. Oke. Yeah. Lebih besar. Pakai tepung terigu lagi di chopping board. Pakai ini, di bahasa Inggris drawing pin, okay? Drawing pin? No, it's not that. What is this in English? Rolling pin. It's a rolling pin, not a drawing pin. Okay, mau cobain. Ini sudah selesai dan saya lapar banget. So I'm going to try it, alright? Wow, alright, this does take quite a long time. It's not the easiest recipe I've ever made, definitely not. It does take quite a bit of time, maybe sort of 1 to 2 hours at least. So it is quite tricky. The white chocolate one I'm going to try first because this is my favourite, okay? So here we go, look at that white chocolate and the sort of chocolate Mesis as well. Have a look at the texture as well. You've got to have this sort of donut texture, nice and light. I've used as little amount of flour as I possibly can, okay? The minute it starts rolling into a ball, okay, that's when your dough is ready to be basically put into the bowl and left on the side for an hour, all right? Don't put lots of flour in it, they get too thick and they're nothing like they should be. So easy to make this sauce. Really not much to worry about when you're making it, just ice and sugar, a bit of milk, mix it all up, make sure it's a liquid. Here we go. This is still really good. Yeah. Just half a teaspoon of strawberry essence, you got yourself a strawberry donut. 1 little drop of our food colouring, you got the pink colour. As long as you don't put too much flour in, you can have some great donuts. That's all I've got time for today. I'll see you next time. Please comment below with any advice you need. Also, if you would like me to cook anything, comment below as well. Like, subscribe, it's free, why not? Might as well do it. I'll see you next time, guys. Laters. How's it going? Banyak. Tambahkan lagi. Saya mau tunggu untuk selama. Selama. Bahasa Inggris drawing pin. Okay. Drawing pin? No, it's not that. What is this in English? Oh, it is. Tambahkan pakai ini.